DJI Neo to the drone that changes everything. DJI Neo to a drone that doesn't just fly, it redefines aerial innovation. Whether you're a content creator, filmmaker, or simply a drone enthusiast, you're about to witness a game changer. With next-gen obstacle detection, a 4000 Ultra HD camera, and an AI-powered flight system, the Neo 2 might just be DJI's smartest drone yet. But is it worth your money? Let's find out. In the box, you get the DJI Neo 2 drone, smart controller, extra propellers, the battery charger, USB-C cable, and of course, the quick start guide. First impressions. It feels premium, lightweight but sturdy. The design has evolved. Sleeker, more aerodynamic. The Neo 2's carbon fiber arms and matte finish scream pro level. Foldable and compact, it's travel-friendly, yet built to withstand wind resistance up to level 6. The LED positioning lights are not just for aesthetics, they're functional and look incredible in low light. Now let's talk about the heart of this drone, the camera. A 1-inch CMOS sensor, f2.8 lens, and the ability to shoot in 4K at 60 FPS. It supports HDR video, 10-bit color depth, and has cinematic picture profiles like D-Log and HLG. Look at the dynamic range. The shadows and highlights are perfectly balanced. And thanks to the 3-axis gimbal, even in windy conditions, the footage stays smooth. The Neo 2 features tridirectional obstacle sensing and APS 5.0, meaning it intelligently avoids obstacles while maintaining smooth trajectories. Flight time: a solid 38 minutes on a single charge. Max speed: 72 km/h in sport mode. It's responsive, stable, and thrilling to fly. This is where DJI really flexes its AI. Active VTRAC 5.0 lets the drone follow you with shocking precision even when objects come in the way. Waypoint 3.0 allows complex flight paths with precision timing. And master shots. Just select a subject and let the drone do all the work. The new smart controller has a 5.5-inch ultra-bright screen, and perfect even in direct sunlight. It runs a customized DJI OS with quick access to flight modes, settings, and camera controls. And the DJI Fly app. It's more intuitive than ever with a live preview, safety alerts, and one-tap editing. With intelligent battery management, overcharge protection, and real-time diagnostics, the Neo 2 ensures both performance and safety. And in case of signal loss or low battery, the return-to-home system kicks in using real-time terrain mapping to land safely. Stunning 4K camera, excellent flight stability, intelligent flight modes, long battery life, superb app interface, slightly expensive, no side obstacle sensors, heavier than entry-level drones. But are these deal breakers? Not really, especially for serious creators. The DJI Neo 2 isn't just an upgrade, it's a leap forward. It's perfect for filmmakers, YouTubers, or anyone who wants cinematic shots without the hassle. At its price point, it offers serious value and intelligence in the sky. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and let us know in the comments, is the Neo 2 your next drone? Until next time, fly safe and keep creating.